this lesson, I'm going to show you how to set up your MT4, also known as MetaTrader. So you download it from your App Store or your Play Store. Open up the app. You want to go to this bottom right-hand corner where it says Settings. Go to Trade Accounts at the top. You want to press the plus icon, and then you want to open up either a demo account or log into an existing account. So watch my other lesson on how to link your broker to your IC markets on your live account or demo account if you're going to be using the platform's demo account on your mobile phone. If you're not, then you can simply just open a demo account from your MT4 platform itself. So then go to open a demo account. And then you've got to type in the broker name which you want. So in this example, I'm just going to use FX Pro Demo 1. You can just put your name as whatever your name is, your telephone number and your email address. I'm going to change the currency to Demo GBP. Leverage, I'll keep on 500 to 1. The deposit, I'll put it at a reasonable £3,000. And then you just press register. This is your credentials, login information for the demo account. You press done, and voila, your account is now active. And then if you want to learn how to set up the currency or Forex pairs on your MT4, then there is another lesson on that. So have a look at that to understand how to set your currency pairs up on here, which is also in conjunction with your TradingView platform as well. So that's how you get your demo account up and running. Here you go. Here's the name. I just called it iPhone, and you can see on the right hand side the demo slogan telling me that this is a demo account and it's up and running with £3,000 in that account.